Good evening to all my viewers, my subscribers. I'm doing an interview, and as you can see, this young man over there, he's doing some hard work, and about to go over to him and find out what he's doing. As you can see straight along, there's two of them. I don't know what the guy is doing, but I'm going to find out what's been going on. So let me walk over, see what's going on right here. Right. Okay. Hello, sir. Can you tell me what you are doing?
Training the tree.
Meaning?
Pruning. Winter pruning.
Okay.
Start being there, but
Yeah, man.
telling
Yeah,
them.
man. Supervisor, you know what I mean? Just showing a preview of the thing, how the thing's supposed to look, you know what I mean? Winter pruning, you know what I mean?
Oh, so he's your supervisor.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I show you a thing and treat them look beautiful as I can see, you know what I mean? So seeing a worker at the farm, you understand? So you know much about the work, so the boss left him in control to show the guys and what they're supposed to do and how the tree's supposed to look, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
You don't need banana.
So we respect him as a Jamaican supervisor, same way, you know what I mean? That guy, good guy.
Okay, thank
Pick up
you.
yourself, yeah.
Okay, as you see, that was the apple. Now this is the church tree. As you can see, these church trees are very beautiful. They have been pruned and they are been putting on a little bit of buds. As you can see, there are buds. You have buds turn out into leaves, then you have like the flowers that grows out of those buds. As you can see, as I take you closer to the buds, you can see I'm trying to find one. If I can show you, these are the leaves right now. So I'm going to try to find some that are not. These trees, they're like the breeder. Yeah, the bees get the pollen from these trees. Yeah, these trees are like pollens, but we just call them the breeder. They grow lots of blooming flowers. As you can see, the flowers will be popping up from like right here. Yeah, as you see. Well, let's go back to the cherry. Right, okay, look here. These are buds. I'm trying to find one in flowers. Let me open this. Okay. Nope. I don't think any in this one here. Let me see. Nope. 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 Okay, let me move over here and see what's going on over here. I think these are more mature. Let me see now. These are leaves. Okay, as you can see down by the church archway, you can see those beautiful proving trees. Yeah. And look at this one here.
Yeah.
Okay, look at this. You can see the
Are you
white
more
proving
put funny?
flowers coming from it. You see it?
Tell us your girl then.
Yeah. These are the cherry blossoms.